It is what it is. I'm back.
Throughout middle school, I've been learning about stocks, so I started at a very low age.
It's like 100,000 a month?
Yeah.
From your members? Wow.
Hey, this is Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader, and I am here going to look for my new exotic car. Come on in, let's see what we have here.
This can change your life. Low risk and high reward. And you know,
I like this Ferrari. This is it. This is the one. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. This kind of money is possible if you study hard enough, if you want it bad enough. It's not easy, it's not luck, but it is possible, as several of my millionaire students already prove, and several more upcoming millionaire students. This is visual motivation. 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 100,000.
make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'm going to show you how you can actually earn guaranteed profits with Forex signals. So stick around and keep watching.
110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200,000.
I'm going to show you if you could actually make big money and get rich or not. So for those of you who don't know what Forex signals are, they are basically tips on when to take a trade.
210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260.
I actually became very successful from using Forex signals. I didn't directly make huge profits from them, but I gained extreme amounts of knowledge from them.
270, 280, 290, 300,000.
Hey guys and gals.
Yes!
So the amount of money you can make with Forex signal kind of depends on how you manage them. You must also actually copy signals from a good trader.
Oh. This is beautiful. Am I in the shot? This is my victory shot. Come on in, you can come on in too.
I'm also going to show you exactly what to do to make the highest amount of money as possible using Forex signals. So stick around, you're about to seriously benefit from this.
Got the keys, it's my new Lambo. Should there be two keys? Where's the other key? I need my second key. It's in there? Okay, good. What's up, Tim Sykes here. Look at these beauties. I love it. Just get inspired. You get inspired too. We got all different people filming.
Finishing the morning here with $22,000 in profit. Not bad.